So now, guys, we are resuming with the second leg. We are continuing with the second leg. We are away and they are home. So Manchester City playing against Real Madrid at the Santiago Bernabeu.
Second leg. It's Real Madrid facing Manchester City. Well, Derek, this could go either way. It was a fairly even first game, but it's City can get that early goal.
Yes! Ortega, I love you. If that corner goes in, I will do a backflip right now. I'm not joking. Good Ortega. Masterclass. So now, counter-attack. Bernardo Silva playing to Omar Marmoush. Lucas Vazquez, I will beat your ass up.
Went in strongly to win the ball. Kevin De Bruyne. Can't miss, surely.
De Bruyne. What a goal. Fantastic goal. Kevin De Bruyne. Look at that. Especially Kevin De Bruyne only can do this. So now, kick off. Oh. So now,
Went in strongly, decisively.
I want to score a goal with Omar Marmoush. But Marmoush, don't be shy. Do what you are doing. And you know what? That is scoring goals from outside the box.
Not the end result he had in mind.
Marmoush, what are you doing?
But that was a poor effort in the end. Lucas Vazquez. Jude Bellingham.
Kevin De Bruyne. Kevin De Bruyne. Marmoush, I will kill you. Vazquez. I hate Real Madrid. Real Madrid can lick in my ass.
And 1 minute of stoppage time has been added on. Omar Marmoush. De Bruyne. And pretty routine for the goalkeeper.
How we saved. So now
So back underway here. Into
we
the second half.
continue the second half time.
Doku. Omar Marmoush. Well, Manchester City unable to retain possession. City pushing forward with options available. It's got to be! The threat was there, but no problems now. Well, mopping up defensively. "30 minutes left for play. Haaland.
I will kill you, Real Madrid.
Defending.
You will see.
Shot attempted.
What a volley.
Doing his job, getting the touch. A
So
City
now,
corner it is.
Erling.
Just the clearance that was called for. Bernardo Silva.
I will kill you, Real Madrid. I will kill you. Kill you all. Where is Marmoush? Here? Yeah, good boy.
Doesn't have to do it on his own. And the keeper reacting just as we would have expected.
I hate Courtois, I hate Vazquez, I hate Bellingham, I hate all of them.
Bellingham.
I hate Arda Güler, I hate Endrick, I hate
Well, they have
all.
once more.
So now Haaland,
Doku.
Ake with the header.
effective play, and they might be onto something.
I hate Real Madrid.
Jeremy Doku.
Jérémy Doku.
Mbappe. And Bellingham. Rodrigo. Chance.
Ortega. Goodbye. Say bye bye Real Madrid to the Champions League.
And time for the change now. The final whistle.
Real Madrid out. Madrid out. Madrid out. Madrid out. Madrid out. Where is Real Madrid? Where is Real Madrid? Where is Real Madrid? So now I open some packs from the team of the year. And that's only gems, but gems, I need gems. So now, bam bam. Who is it? Retro Stars Germany. Center back. Heroes. Schweinsteiger. Who is Kohler? Who is Kohler? Kohler. Arda Güler. I'm only packing gems. Why? I am only packing gems. "39-year-old Cristiano Ronaldo remained the elite goal scorer, netting 43 goals for his club in 2024. He's just on fire." Cole Palmer. So now I think I can open these carnival packs. These ones. Wait, or should I open? So now I open this pack. Daily bundle F. So now, who is that? Nigeria. Striker. Galatasaray. I better go. Lookman. Areola Lookman. Areola Lookman. Areola Lookman. Areola Lookman. Areola Lookman. Areola Lookman. Who's the? I want to buy players, but I don't have much money because I spent all. I will go to my club and look who I need. Wait, in reserve I have Areola Lookman. Rank up. Rank up. Mascherano. Mascherano. 104. Shooting. Another. Should I upgrade him? Yeah. Yeah. That's good. That's good. Life is good. Life is good. Life is good. Life is good. So now Omar Marmoush is sitting on the bench. Sorry, Marmoush, but I need to do it. And these nuts. So, I will drink him up. No. Good. Life is good. Life is good. So now I will change my club because Fenerbahce, I wear this all the time. I have 2 jerseys of Fenerbahce. And it is boring when I also pick Fenerbahce on FC25 mobile. What is Braga? MLS. Who should I pick? So guys, I just picked a random club from, I don't know, Azerbaijan or something. So I picked this club and yeah. Okay. I will play the Champions League again. So today I'm playing against Benfica, who lost against Barcelona 5-4. And that means Man City can win too. Because Barca is better than Manchester City this season. But City is good also and better than Benfica, I think. So now the game starts. The queue. I have a tactic tiki-taka.
You only have to look at the 2 squads to realise that City have to be the favourites here. On their day, they're as good as anybody. I'm looking forward to seeing them play today.
Omar Marmoush, first goal. All for Omar Marmoush, the Egyptian king of the world.
Well, as you can see,
Look at that. Look at that. What a strike from outside the box. It's just fantastic. He's almost scored. I'm sure Marmoush will score a hat-trick today.
Well, that's how to put in a clean tackle. We're using the space really well, but now can they push?
Okay, now. Kevin De Bruyne. Power shot from outside the box.
Florentino. Pavlidis. And the ball back with City now. Kevin De Bruyne. Kovacic.
How? Kevin De Bruyne passes to Omar Marmoush. Omar. That's a foul. That's a clear foul. But how are you doing?
He knows what he's doing defensively.
The first half ended well. So the second half started.
We have in store for us.
Good pass.
Position for City.
Oh! De Bruyne!
And the flag has gone up. Just when he looked ready to pass, perhaps.
But how Marmoush didn't score?
which is a shame because that was a dangerous situation.
And now it's not an offside because the goalkeeper saved it.
And they're making a change.
Oh no.
Here.
Come Ederson.
It is. And the keeper nowhere to be found. Not that he's complaining.
Oh! Oh, he scored!
Well, here it is again. again. It's an easy finish in the end, but what was the keeper thinking? That's a poor bit of defending.
Shut up, commentary. Dumbass.
So the ball is rolling again at 1-1. Ake. And it's Ruben
I'm gonna smash your ass up.
Silva.
Look at that dribbling, huh? What you want? Portuguese against Portuguese players, you are nothing. You are nothing.
Strong tackle, and it'll be a throw-in.
Come.
Mateo Kovacic.
Come. Omar! 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 I said he would score. I said. Only one goal needed. He has a hat-trick. He has a hat-trick. Only one goal needed. Look at that dribbling. Look at that pass. Look at that wonderful shot. Just world class. No chance for goalkeeper.
Away again, it's a narrow 2-1 lead as things stand. Ake. Holland. Fredrik Aursnes. Mamouche. Succeeded in getting his fifth.
I hate the goalkeeper.
Di Maria.
Well, that's clear foul.
Decision the way of City.
Look at that. Marmouche. Marmouche on the ball. Marmouche on the ball. Maybe. Hat-trick?
Not the easiest of saves, but you'd expect him to stop it. Another goal
So
for Mr.
now-
Holland would in all likelihood secure a victory.
Marmouche.
To do it on his own. Well, it might still work out for them. And the attack fizzling out. No more time is left.
So, double pack for Omar Marmouche, the Egyptian king.
Sitting in the box seat at present in the context
Yeah.
of this tie.
Well, I thought they deserved to win, but it was a really tight.
And all the fans, I want to say goodbye, good day. So the video ended now, and I will post another video of the second leg against Benfica.